In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Skyworth Google TV in case it's frozen or maybe you have other issues with it. So there's two ways. The first way is using the remote control, and to do this, all you have to do is, well, press this button over here. Maybe your remote is looking different. It's a rectangle with an arrow pointing inside, all right? Then you need to go over here where it says power, select power, press the middle button. And then you will see restart. Press again and the TV will be restarting. Don't touch anything. It will shut down and it will power on by itself. All right, it takes around 25 seconds for the TV to be brought back and ready to use. If this didn't work for you because your screen is frozen, what I can recommend is you unplug it even if the screen is on, wait 10 seconds, and then plug it back. This again will simply restart it. You may have to press the power button on the remote control, but at the end it gives the same results. But this is just in case you're not able to operate the remote control. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.